Hello to everyone guys, this is a new video. In this new video I will show you how I created the spike script. So this is a very simple script. The first thing that I've done is fixing some bug. So I added the rigid body constraints of the freeze rotation, and I changed the transform to the vector 2 to transform direction, so this became only a direction and not a vector with a definite coordinate. This will prevent some bug to happen. Perfect. Now we are creating a new type of tile that will be the spike tile. So when our player will hit this tile, it will be destroyed in the exact time it hit the tile. So what we're gonna do is apply a spikes tag to the spike tile, so that we can control this manage this collider and have an appropriate response to the actual collision. Yeah, this is just renaming the stuff and putting it into the scene to have something to show you. To have something to test, sorry. So the actual finished script will look like this. So if the info.collider.tag is equal to spikes, so if the collision is on the spikes, we are checking on all of our direction. If we hit with a raycast the spikes only if based on our direction. Why? Because this will ensure us that the spike is not on our side but is on the direction we are moving on, and so the spike will kill us, because we can stand side to spikes but not be influenced by the actual spikes. So we check when nothing is this sorry. We're now checking if nothing is the actual raycast. We can skip, otherwise we destroy the whole things. So we can put the if statement after the switch. In the start I put it into the script, but it's the same if it's outside the script. So if it's not null, so if this hits, there will be a destroy. So I'm now raising all the if statements, and I'm now putting it on another side. So the script is actually finished and it works perfectly. There's just a little bug, that is that we can use a collider GD but a collision GD as an argument, so we need to specify the info.collider.tag and not just info.tag, because this is